Today here we are at EP Mesquite Homes. We are gonna show you the Nogal floor plan. It's very modern, very different looks, very different colors, so let's check it out. So as you walk in, something that really impresses people is this door, 8-foot door. This color is very unique. You don't see it anywhere, but the color tone is taken throughout the house. That's something I really like about this builder. They take different cues and make little touches throughout the house. Right, so it's walking in, and this entry is really pretty. The high ceilings, the accent lighting, it just makes a house feel really nice. Tons of lighting. Okay, so in any home, the biggest focal point is usually the kitchen, and this home is no exception. Here we have something transitioning like a more traditional white cabinets that are very popular, and then we have this green accent on the countertops in the bottom. I mean the cabinets in the bottom, which really make it pop. I think they look amazing with the gold tones, which are very popular at the moment. And then some accents, some touches that I want to make sure you focus on with this builder that you don't see in the other homes a lot of times. But every builder has their perks. Like this accent wall, I mean, it's just in the dining area. You have brick as a background. It looks great in photos. It's really a picture window looking out. This specific home out into farmland, right? The door to the backyard is this huge door. Lots of lighting. Plants are very popular nowadays, so people like lighting coming to their home. So this is no exception. You have this is one of the best perks of this home is the lighting you get here, right? Then we'll go back to the front of the house. I can show you, well, before we do that, I want to show you the beams. It's got these accent beams in the living room, the fireplace, and then we continue with that brick from the dining room, which gives it just this really, really nice touch. It's different. It's not the red brick. It's something not traditional with the white brick. I really like that. The walls, hand trowel texture. And then so this home's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths. So the half bath is kind of something maybe an afterthought sometimes, but it's important because if you have guests, you can use the half bath and not have to use your family's, your kids' bathrooms or your own bathroom in the master bedroom. Something that is popular in these homes is people want separation and working from home. You have kids of different ages, so you have separation in all the rooms, which is a very nice thing. Walking in here, you see, of course, the laundry room, but there's a room over on one side of the house. Good sized rooms. Again, high ceilings make the rooms feel bigger and look bigger than they really are, but it's still a very good space. And then we have to go across the hallway into the next bedroom. So again, that gives you separation, right? Well, this area has bedroom out in the front. I really like this room for a home office because you have again lots of lighting here. You see some of the construction out across the street, but lots of lighting in the front of the house, away from the family, away from the kids making noise sometimes or having dinner. This could be a perfect home office for you. Okay. And then this is the family bathroom here. Is again, we continue with that tone from the kitchen with that green that really pops. The accents here are a blend of the gold and then the black tones that are very popular at the moment. Continue with that high ceilings, the honeycomb tile. It's just bathroom is really well put together. It feels really nice, and it's got that double sink, perfect for the kids. Then this room's a 4 bedroom, so we're walking into the bedroom number 4. And again, it's really high ceilings. Something I didn't mention before, but it's got the recessed lighting in all the rooms, fans, and there's no carpet in this house. Most home buyers nowadays are requesting no carpet because it's hard to keep clean, especially with pets. And then this home does not have any carpet whatsoever, so that's a big perk you get with EP Mesquite. It's your bedroom. Some people call it the main bedroom nowadays. There's lots of name changes going on, but again, we continue with the high ceilings, recessed lighting, and then this bathroom is the open style bathroom, master suite. So you have again double sink. That green color continued from the rest of the house, the honeycomb tile accents, really high-end tile work in the bathrooms, garden tub, you get a stand-up shower, the glass, gigantic master closet, and then of of course, the water closet in the back. Also, it's maybe not an important room, but it's got that accent green throughout. So here it is, the Nogal by EP Mesquite Homes. Stay tuned for more homes like this.